What is going on, guys? We just got the Vega back from Blinddog. It is sitting right inside there. We've been waiting a little bit to show you guys the color, so let's go check it out. I probably know what you're thinking. The color on the Vega is eerily similar to the unibody, and it is, but I promise they're different colors, and in the sun, they're really easy to tell apart. But Rick and the guys over at Blinddog did a great job on it, so now it's finally time for us to get our hands back on it, do the final assembly, and let's get this thing on the road.